Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the predictive text feature from your keyboard to help you correcting your spelling whenever you text someone. So the first thing we have to do, let's just check either my keyboard here is already on or not for the prediction text. So I already opened the notes, create a new one, and let's see, here is my keyboard in a English keyboard. So if I want to type start, there is no predictive text pop up right here. And let's just activate them by go back into the home part and open the settings head. In the settings, you just need to go open your general right here, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you find a keyboard. Just go click them, and there will be a lot of options that you can activate on your keyboard. You just need to take a look on the third boxes, and there will be contain like any information as well as the button on the right side. So here you just need to find this one, the predictive text, and after that you just need to turn it on. And let's just go back into the notes part, and let's just try to start. You'll see there is a predictive text that pop up on your keyboard. Let's do another. Here already give you several predictions about the text that you want to get. So that is the way how to activate the predictive text feature on your keyboard. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I will see you for the next tutorial.